So today we will start new chapter. The name of the chapter is average. What is the name of the chapter? Average. In this chapter we will know how we take out the average. Suppose you think one question is here. So suppose three friends are there. The name of one friend is Shreya, another friend Tina, and another friend is what? That is Irfan. Okay, three friends. They're very good and they're always playing together. These three friends. The name of these three friends are what? Shreya, Tina, and Irfan. So here, what you are seeing that they are playing with the marble. What they are doing? They are playing with marbles. Okay. So Tina is having how many marble? 4 marble. Shreya is having 4 marble with her. Okay. And Tina is having how many marble? Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 marble. Tina is having 9 marble with her. And Irfan is having how many marble? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 marble. Irfan is having 8 marble with him. So you can say that now what they will do? What they will do? All are having different marbles with them. Different quantity of marble. One is having 4 marble, one is having 9 marble, and another one is having 8 marble. Okay. Now, if we share the marble equally, how many marble would each will get? If we share the marble equally, how many marble each will get? That we have to take out. That is known as average. Okay. So, here different quantity they are having marble. If we share equally, then how many marble each will get? For that we need to find out the average. For that what you have will find out? We need to find out the average of this marble. Understood? Clear to you all? Here 3 friends are there. So these 3 friends, they are having marble with them. They are playing with marble. They are having marble with them. So Shreya is having 4 marble. Tina is having 9 marble. And Irfan is having 8 marble. Okay. If they share equally marble, then how many marble will each will have? So for that what we have to do? We have to take out the average of this. What we have to do? We have to take out the average of this. So how you will take out the average of this? So you see the name of here Shreya, okay, Tina and Irfan. Three friends. So before sharing how much marble they are having, before sharing, Shreya is having 4 marble. Now here Shreya, Tina is having 9 marble and Irfan is having 8 marble. Okay, Irfan is having 8 marble. Then after sharing you have to take out how much marble they are having. So after sharing, how much marble they will have, that you have to take out. For that what you will do? You have to take out the average. For that you have to take out the average. have to take out after sharing how much they are having. Okay. So how you will take out the average? For taking out average, what you will do here? First, you have to find the total number of marble. What you have to do? You have to find out total number of marble. So, total number of marbles. Total number of marble. You have to take out the total number of marbles. How much they are having? 4 plus 9 plus 8. 4 plus 9 plus 8. When you will add this, how much marble you will get here? 4 plus 9 plus 8, 21 marbles. How much marbles you will get? 21 marbles. Clear it is? How much marble you will get? 21 marbles. Now, after getting 21 marble, you have to divide the marble by the number of children. You have to divide this marble, total number of marble, by the number of children. How many children are there? 3 children. How many children? 3 children. So what you will do here? You will write here what? 21. 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3. When you will divide 21 by 3, what answer you will get here? You will get 7 marbles. What you will get? 7 marbles. Okay? What answer you will get? 7 marbles. Now, how many marble each will get after sharing? Each will get how much marble? 7 marble after sharing. Now Shreya will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marble. Tina will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marble. And Irfan will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marble. Understood? Clear to you all? So what you have seen here that three friends are having, one friend is having 4 marble, other friend is having 9 marble, and other Irfan is having 8 marble. So this one we are seeing the data before sharing, and we have to share this marble equally among them. So how we will take out to share equally? For taking out, we have to take out the average of that. For taking out average, what you will do? First you will take out the total number of marble. For taking out average, what you will do? First you will take out the total number of marble. So here it is given 4, you have written 4. Tina is having 9, you have written 9. And Irfan is having 8, you have written here 8. When you will add, what answer you are getting? 21 marbles. What answer? 21 marbles. Now you have to divide this with 3. This 3 means dividing by number of children. How many children are there? 1, 2, 3. So 21 you will divide by 3. What answer you are getting here? 7 marbles. What answer we got? 7 marbles. Now what you have to do? Now after sharing, how much each are getting? Tina is getting 7 marble, Shreya is getting 7 marble, and Irfan is getting 7 marble. Clear to you all? So this is the average. So number of marble, the formula of average is that. So you will know the formula. So by knowing the formula, you can solve the problem. So what is the formula of this? number of marble each children will get equal. Number of marble each children will get equal. So 7 is the average of 4, 9 and 8. What is the average of that? 4, 9 and 8. 7. So what is the formula? Now you know. Now I will write here the formula. Average equal to what is the average? Total number of marble. Total number of marbles divided by, how you will take out the average? Total number of marbles divided by number of children. Yes, number of children. Understood? So for taking out the average, what you will do? Average equal to total number of marble divided by number of children. So it is clear. So you have seen how you will take out the average. Clear it is? Today this much only. Again next class I will continue with other topic. Okay, thank you to everyone.